During Masomo Bora 2026 edition launch, Kiharu MP Ndindi Nyoro assured parents from his constituency that their students while in day schools will only be charged 500 shillings per term. He also made it sweeter by adding that the students will continue to enjoy their meals as usual from Monday to Saturday, including chapatis once per month. Members of well-performed school per world will enjoy sponsored trip including teachers in charge of well-performed subject.
Kwa Kiharu Masomo Bora ya 2026 ambayo inakava students zetu zote za day secondary schools, which is covering grade 10 and form 3 and form 4. The school fees in Kiharu in the year 2026 in our day secondary schools per term, it will be 500 shillings.
Those remarks has made leaders who are not able to use their position and monies they are trusted with to make changes in their areas to turn against him, claiming that he is using the money that was meant to be paying teachers. Recent bullet was formed by Kericho Senator Aaron Cheriot, who claims that he cannot compete with President William Ruto and no one can include united position. He also claimed that Ndindi Nyoro is using the money that was meant to be paying teachers.
Sinategemea vile mtu amepanga. Many schools, unajua different parts of the country have different needs. Many MPs, unajua mashule haziko sawa. Many MPs ile cheki wanapelekanga kwa shule akipeleka 1 million. Unajua the biggest need kwa shule na kuanga nini? Despite infrastructure, kulipa walimu. Kuna regions ambaye walimu kwa shule 90, 80, 100% are on TSC. Meaning they don't have any other extra cost. So they can use part of that money to do things such as those. Yet there are regions where in every school the average TSC versus wale wanaitwanga PTA, parent sponsored teachers, ni 50-50. So nusu ya hiyo pesa yao inaishi hapo. It is inequality we are talking about in Kenya. Si ati ma MP ni mafala, utafanya nini? Na MP hawezi atika walimu. So it varies from one region to the other.
Reporting for Shish TV, I'm Rachel Johnson.